I lost my 4G this morning. Well, not lost it. It's somewhere. No. I got in contact with my mobile internet provider. They said something's happened to the local area. I'm down to HH plus, which is basically 2.5G or something like that. Oh God, I'm telling you. They said it'll be back by tomorrow morning. So I'm making this video now, right? And it'll take ages to load on YouTube. Ages. Anyway, hey, and well, point I'm trying to make here is Banksy has sold, well, whether it was Banksy or whoever, or someone who bought it and sold it, 70 million. 70 million for his half-trashed heart balloon, girl with heart balloon. Anyway, I've done a heart balloon tribute for him a few months ago. So here it is. Anyway, that's how this ballers like gone. Oh, God, what's going on again? An MP got stabbed today. Oh, my God. Anyway, here you go, Banksy. Square it up. Right click. Banksy, come and pay my carriage though. I need the money. Happy weekend, so.